Anxiety is a normal reaction to stress or difficult times. Anxiety is triggered by a specific stressor. It has starting and ending point, right? Because it is normal, right? Can be helpful or motivation. Exam से पहले वाली anxiety is always helpful, right? People work hard before the exams. अगर वो anxiety नहीं हुई कि हमको tension नहीं होगा तो हम पढ़ेंगे भी नहीं, right? So lesser significantly or disappear as soon as the stressful situation is away. So once the exams are done, no more anxiety. Now the case is different when you are having the result. It is then the another anxiety wala situation. But for the exams, it is over as they are over. So it relaxes you, or when you feel better after that particular situation. Now in this case, anxiety is something which is normal, right? It will have a specific stressor, it will have a starting and ending point, and it could be a little bit motivational as well. But if I'm talking about anxiety disorders, for anxiety disorders, it can come out of nowhere, right? Why I'm saying nowhere? See, anxiety disorder के अंदर we talked about phobia, है ना? Once the dog barked, then I started being phobic of each and every dog. Even hearing about dog make me fearful, right? Even about a dog passing by me is making me fearful. So that is things coming out of nowhere each and every time, right? वो incident तो एक बार हुआ, but what about the other incidents which were happening? The person was not able to face those dogs, right? So it was coming out of nowhere. Then it is intense or disproportionate emotional response. It has intense emotional responses. That is why this intensive fear is there. Intensive sweating, intensive palpitations, that is increased heart rate will be there when encountered with a stressful situation. This thing will be not there in anxiety, right? Anxiety disorder के अंदर सारी चीजें will be exaggerated manner के अंदर, right? It can go to some weeks or months. Now, if I'm talking about anxiety disorders, obviously it will interfere with the day-to-day life. Person may restrict himself to his own, zone. He may not go out if the situation is, anxiety provoking outside. So obviously it will hamper the day-to-day life. He will be having this thoughts into the mind related to the anxiety throughout the day. Physical symptoms I already told you: lightheadedness, sweating, trembling, racing of heart, right? Plus, the person sometimes feel that it is very, very impossible or very, very difficult to manage the anxiety disorder. Okay.